Welcome to our topic number 12, okay, which is finding least common multiple of two or more numbers. Okay, so in our previous topic, which is number 10, maghahanap tayo or naghanap tayo ng greatest common factor of two or more numbers. Okay, so in this case naman, hahanapin natin yung least common multiple of two or more numbers. Okay? So, same items pa rin, okay? And also same method pa rin, okay? Para makuha yung least common multiple, okay? So, that is by listing out common factors, by prime factorization, and by division and method. So, again, ito, i-introduce ko lang yung tatlong paraan na to para makuha yung greatest common factor and also the least common multiple of two or more numbers, okay? So, kung ano man dito yung pinakamadaling paraan para sa inyo, you can use that method, okay? So, again, ipapakita ko lahat ng methods na pwede nating magamit, okay, para mahanap yung LCM or the least common multiple of two or more numbers, okay? So, let's proceed to number 1. We have 18 and 27. So, in the first method, okay, we will list out the common factors of 18 and 27. Okay, so ganun pa rin yung paraan nung last video natin. Okay, so for the number 18, factors are, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. For the factors of 27, we have 1, 3, 9, and 27. Now, paano natin makukuha yung LCM of 18 and 27, okay? So when we talk about least, ito yung pinakamaliit, okay? The lowest possible positive integers that can be divisible to both 18 and 27. So maghahanap tayo ng positive integers, okay, na kung saan pinakamaliit siya at the same time, it is divisible by your number 18 and number 27. That is, pwede siyang i-divide by such positive integer without getting any remainder. Okay, so here we will ignore 1 here. Okay, so here alam natin that the common factors of 18 and 27 are 9 and 3. Okay, and also 1, but we will ignore 1 kasi lahat naman ng numbers are divisible by 1. Okay, so we will take 3 and 9. So meron tayong 2 common factors. Okay, yung kukunin natin dito is yung pinakamaliit na number. So, between 3 and 9, which is the less? That is 3. So, therefore, the LCM of 18 and 27 is 3. 9 in this case is the GCF. Okay? GCF is 9 and the LCM is 3. Let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, givens are 6, 12, and 36. Okay, we have 6, 12, and 36. So, kukunin ulit natin yung mga factors ng 6, 12, and 36. So, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So, titignan natin kung ano yung mga common na factors among 6, 12, and 36 except 1. Okay? So, we have 2. Okay? Meron tayong 3. And we have also 6. Okay? And we all know that 6 is the GCF of 6, 12, and 36. But, we're looking for the LCM of this number. So, ano kaya yung pinakamaliit na number which are common to 6, 12, and 36? That is, okay, 2. So, 2 is the LCM of 6, 12, and 36. Okay, so the LCM again is 2. Okay, for the last item, we have 24, 54, and 100. Okay? So, kukunin ulit natin yung mga factors ng given numbers. Okay? For 24, factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, and 54. For the factors of 100, we have 1, 2, 4. There's no 3. Okay, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50, and 100. Now, kukunin natin yung mga common factors, okay, ng 24, 54, and 100 except to 1. Okay? So these are 2, 3 is not common, 4 is not common, 2, 6, hindi then 8, 12, 24. So the only common factor na meron tayo is 2. Okay? So alam natin that 2 is also the GCF or the greatest common factor of 24, 54, and 100. And also, it's LCM. Okay, so LCM of 24, 54, and 100 is also 2. Okay, so again, if you have any questions about this topic, don't hesitate to write your comment under comment section. Okay, so let's proceed to the prime factorization. So ganun pa rin yung paraan, kukunin natin yung prime factors ng a given number. Okay, so let's begin to 18 and 27. So in the case of 18, okay, 18 is divisible by 2, okay, and the other factor is 9, since 2 times 9 is 18, right? 9 is a composite number, so we can factor this further, and the factors of 9 are 3 and 3. So the prime factors of 18 are 2, 3, and 3, okay? So in the case of 27, factors are 3, and 9, since 3 times 9 is 27. 9 has a factor of 3 and 3. So the prime factors of 27s are 3, 3, and 3. Okay? So now, the question here is that how are we going to get and find the LCM of 18 and 27 using prime factorization? So dito, aalamin lamang natin kung ano yung pinakamaliit na magkakapareho sa bawat numbers. Okay, so 2 walang 2. So we have 3 and we have 3. And the only smallest, okay, common prime factors between 18 and 27 is 3. So therefore, its LCM is 3 only. Okay, LCM of item number 1 is 3. Let's proceed to 6, 12, and 36 of item number 2. So using leasing out common factors, we all know that the LCM of 6, 12, and 36 is 2. So ganon din ba yung magiging LCM ng 6, 12, and 36 using the prime factorization? So let's check. So the prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3 only. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 6. In the case of 12, we have 2 and 6. Okay, so factor further yung 6, and we will get 2 and 3. So the prime factors of 12 are 2, 2, and 3. Okay, in the case of 36 naman, we have 2 and 18. Okay, 18 can further factor, that is 2 and 9. And 9 have a factor of 3 and 3. So the factors, the prime factors of 36 are 2, 2, 3, and 3. Okay? So now, how about the LCM of 6, 12, and 36? Okay? So, ganun pa rin yung paraan, kukunin natin yung pinakamaliit na number which are common to both 6, 12, and 36. Okay? So, in the case of 6, meron siyang 2, meron din siyang 2 dito, meron din siyang 2, okay, meron siyang 3, meron siyang 3, meron siyang 3. So, between 2 and 3, which is less, the answer is 2. Okay? So, therefore, the least common multiple of 6, 12, and 36 is 2. Okay, which is the same. Okay? Kung gagamit tayo ng listing out common factors. Okay, next number. We have number 3. So, out of space na tayo. Okay, ito. Okay. In the case of third item, we have 24, 54, and 100. So, gamit kanina ng leasing out common factors, we knew that the least common multiple of 24, 54, and 100 is 2. So how about using prime factorization? Ganun din ba yung magiging sagot? So let's see. So the prime factors of 24 are 2 and 12. 12 can be factor further, and that is 2 and 6. 6 have a prime factors of 2 and 3. So the prime factors of 24 are 2, 2, 2, and 3. Okay? 2, 2, 2, and 3. In the case of 54, prime factors are 2 and 27. Okay, 27 have a prime factors of 3 and 9. In the case of 9, we have 3 and 3. Therefore, the prime factors of 54 are 2, 3, 3, and 3. Okay, last item is 100. Prime factors of 100, we have 2 and 50. Factors of 50, we have 2 and 25. Factors of 25, we have 5 and 5. Okay, so 5 is a prime number. So hindi na natin siya mapa-factor out further. Therefore, the prime factors of 100 is 2, 2, 5, and 5. Okay, so to get the LCM of 24, 54, and 100, kukunin lamang natin yung pinakamaliit na common among this number. Okay, and that is 2. Therefore, the LCM of 24, 54, and 100 is 2, which is the same. Okay, so we yield the same answer. Okay, if we use listing out common factors and the prime factorization. Okay, so how about in the case of division method? Ganun pa rin yung paraan. We will use, okay, any divisor na pwedeng makapag-divide to the given numbers. Okay, so let's say for example, in the case of number 1, we have 18 and 27. So think of a smallest positive integer that can divide, okay, both 18 and 27 without getting any remainder. The answer is 3. Okay, 2 is not, kasi 27 is not divisible by 2 since 27 is an odd number. Okay, pag odd yung number, hindi siya madi-divide by 2 without getting a remainder, a zero remainder. Okay, so we have 3. Okay, 3, bakit 3 again? Para malaman kung divisible nga ba yung isang number by 3, just add the digits of those numbers. Okay, if the sum of the digits of this number, of that particular number, okay, is divisible by 3, okay, then it is divisible by 3. Let's say for example, 18. The sum of the digits ng 18 is 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so pwede siya. Okay, without getting any remainder. In the case of 27, the sum of its digit is also 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 27 is also divisible by 3. Okay, so 18 divided by 3 is 6. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay, so meron tayong 6 and 9. So, think again of smallest positive integers, okay, na pwede makapag-divide ng number natin. Okay, in this case, we have 6 and 9 without getting any remainder. Okay, the answer is also 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, yun na. Okay, since we're talking about, okay, finding the LCM of these two number, kukunin lamang natin yung pinakamaliit na divisors na nagamit natin. So, between 3 and 3, alam natin that they are equal. So, we will use 3 as the LCM of 18 and 27. Okay, which yields the same answer if we will use the prime factorization, and also yields the same answer if we will use the listing out common factors. Okay? So, pareha lang sila, but different ways. Okay, in case of number 2, we have 6, 12, and 36. So, gamit kanina ng listing out common factors, the LCM is 2. Gamit yung prime factorization, the LCM is also 2. Okay, can we come up of an LCM of 2, okay, using division method? So, let's see. So, since 6, 12, and 36 are even numbers, therefore they are divisible by 2. So, the smallest positive integers that we could use is 2. Okay, without getting any remainder. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 36 divided by 2 is 18. It can be divided further. Okay. So, the only divisible number ng 3, 6, and 18 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Okay? So, we get 1, 2, and 6. And it cannot be factored out or divided further since meron tayong 1. Okay? So, among 2 and 3, kukunin natin yung pinaka maliit. Okay? Para makuha natin yung LCM of 6, 12, and 36. Again, between 2 and 3, which is less, 2 and 3. Okay, the answer is 2. So, therefore, the LCM of 6, 12, and 36 is 2 using division method. Okay? Which also yields the same answer, okay, of 2 as our LCM using prime factorization, and also yields the same LCM using listing out common factors. Okay, so let's proceed to the last item. We have 24, 54, and 100. Okay? So again, think of a smallest positive integers na pwede nating i-divide to this number, 24, 54, and 100 without getting any remainder. Since 24, 54, and 100 are all even numbers, therefore, the only smallest positive integers na pwedeng makapag-divide is 2. Okay? So we will use 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 54 divided by 2 is 27. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Okay? Then it cannot be divided further. Okay? Kasi walang common na divisors that can divide among 12, 27, and 50. So the only divisors that we have is 2, and it is its GCF and LCM. Okay? So LCM of 24, 54, and 100 is 2. Okay? Which is the same kung gagamit tayo ng prime factorization, and also the same kung gagamit tayo ng listing out common factors. So this is how you find least common multiple of 2 or more numbers.